Car companies don't make money when your car lasts 500,000 miles. They make money when it lasts just long enough to keep you out of warranty and back in a dealership, so they won't tell you about the habits that silently wear your engine down from the inside. Things like idling too long, skipping undercarriage washes, or following maintenance intervals that look good on paper, but quietly shave years off your engine's life. Because by the time the damage shows up, you're already looking at a $3,000 to $5,000 repair bill. Let's get straight to it. You do not want to miss any of these habits explained. Habit 17. The 5K oil rule. If you're following the factory oil change interval, you're already shortening your engine's life. That 10,000 mile, or once a year, oil change schedule wasn't created to make your engine last 500,000 miles. It was created to make the car look low maintenance on paper so it's easier to sell. Because fresh oil is cheap, but worn oil is silent damage. Inside your engine, oil lubricates moving parts, carries heat away from friction zones, and suspends microscopic metal particles so they don't grind into bearings and journals. But over time, heat cycles shear the oil down, fuel dilution thins it out, and moisture builds from short trips. Eventually, it stops acting like oil and starts acting like liquid sandpaper. Used oil analysis reports consistently show engines running extended oil intervals have higher iron, cylinder wall wear, increased aluminum, piston wear, and elevated copper, bushing and bearing wear. Those microscopic particles circulate thousands of times per minute. At 10,000 miles, additive packages are depleted, viscosity drops, and zinc and phosphorus protection is reduced. Now your timing chain tensioner loses pressure, cam phasers begin operating inconsistently, and oil control rings start sticking. You won't feel it today, but 5 years later, startup rattle, oil consumption, timing codes, a $3,000 repair that began with stretched intervals. The fix: change oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles in real-world conditions and always change the filter. Cheap filters collapse internally or go into bypass mode, sending debris right back through your engine. Ignore this and your engine slowly eats itself. And if you think oil is the only lifetime fluid, wait until you hear what happens inside your transmission. Habit 16. Replace the fuel filter. Your fuel filter has one job: keep dirt, rust, and sediment out of your fuel system. Over time, it clogs, and when it does, fuel flow becomes restricted. Now your fuel pump has to work harder to push gasoline through a narrowing passage. Fuel pumps rely on gasoline for both cooling and lubrication. When flow is restricted, pump temperature rises, internal bearings wear faster, and electrical load increases. Eventually, pressure begins to drop. Under light driving, you may not notice, but under load, merging onto a highway, climbing a hill, or accelerating hard, fuel demand increases. If pressure can't keep up, the engine runs lean. Lean combustion raises cylinder temperatures and can cause detonation, burned valves, and piston crown damage. Sediment also settles at the bottom of your tank. If you regularly drive near empty, you're pulling that debris straight into the filter, accelerating clogging. Eventually, the pump fails entirely. Now you're not replacing a $30 to $60 filter, you're replacing a $600 to $1,200 fuel pump, possibly clogged injectors, and paying labor to drop the tank. Replace your fuel filter every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, especially if you drive in dusty environments. Use low-quality fuel or run your tank low often. It's cheap insurance for your entire fuel system. Habit 15. Transmission fluid. Lifetime transmission fluid isn't meant to last your car's lifetime. It's meant to last the warranty. Inside your transmission, fluid applies clutch packs, transfers torque, controls hydraulic pressure, and removes heat. And heat is the real killer. At 200 degrees Fahrenheit, fluid life is cut in half. At 240 degrees Fahrenheit, oxidation begins. At 260 degrees Fahrenheit, seals harden. At 280 degrees Fahrenheit, clutch packs glaze. Every shift produces friction dust. Add metal shavings, varnish, and torque converter debris, and the fluid becomes contaminated. Magnetic debris circulates through solenoids, valve body passages, and pressure regulators. The fluid may still look red, but internally it's lost friction modifiers. Now you notice delayed shifts, harsh engagement, and slipping under load. By the time you feel it, clutch packs are already worn, and a $4,000 rebuild has begun silently. Drain and fill every 50,000 to 60,000 miles. Never flush neglected transmissions, and always use OEM spec fluid. Habit 14. Flush brake fluid. Every 2 to 3 years. Brake fluid doesn't just sit in the lines, it absorbs moisture from the air, even in a sealed system. Brake fluid is hygroscopic, meaning it pulls water into itself over time. Fresh DO3 fluid boils at around 401 degrees Fahrenheit, but after years of moisture absorption, that boiling point can drop below 280 degrees Fahrenheit. Now imagine heavy braking on a long downhill. The calipers heat up, that heat transfers into the fluid, and if it reaches its reduced boiling point, vapor bubbles form. Vapor compresses, fluid doesn't. When you press the pedal, instead of transferring hydraulic force to the calipers, you're compressing air. That's brake fade and in extreme cases, complete loss of braking pressure. Moisture also causes internal corrosion. Water inside brake fluid corrodes brake lines from the inside, caliper pistons, ABS module passages, and master cylinder seals. ABS modules are especially sensitive. Corrosion inside those fine hydraulic channels can trigger expensive electronic brake faults. ABS module replacement is often $800 to $1,500 plus. Flush brake fluid every 2 to 3 years to protect both your stopping power and your braking system's longevity. Habit 13. Coolant. Coolant becomes chemically unstable over time. Corrosion inhibitors break down and pH drops. Now electrolysis begins. Stray electrical current uses coolant as a conductor. Metal ions are pulled from radiators, heater cores, water pump impellers, and head gasket surfaces. Microscopic corrosion forms and hot spots develop. Mix the wrong coolant types and additives react and gel, blocking radiator passages, thermostat housings, and cooling jackets. Now you risk warped heads, blown gaskets, and cracked blocks. Flush every 3 to 5 years and never mix coolant types by color. Habit 12. Differential and transfer case fluid. Your differential handles constant torque, ring and pinion, gears mesh under heavy load. Over time, gear oil breaks down from heat, shears under pressure, and collects microscopic metal shavings. Most differential drain plugs are magnetic and are often coated in metallic paste when removed. That paste is your gears wearing down. At first, the magnet captures particles, but once the fluid becomes saturated, debris circulates freely. Now instead of lubricating, the oil becomes an abrasive compound, grinding down gear teeth, bearing races, and internal shafts. You may hear a faint hum at highway speed, a whine during acceleration, or clunking during turns. By then, gear wear is already advanced. Ring and pinion replacement runs $1,500 to $3,500 plus. Replace gear oil every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, especially if you tow, drive AWD, or go off-road. It's one of the most ignored and most expensive fluids to neglect. Habit 11. Timing belt. Timing belts age from heat, oil vapor, and tension stress. Even low-mileage belts crack over time. When one snaps in an interference engine, pistons and valves collide. Bent valves, cracked guides, and an engine rebuild in the $3,000 to $6,000 range. Inspect at 60,000 miles and replace the belt, tensioner, pulleys, and water pump together. Timing belts don't warn, they snap. Habit 10. Spark plugs, coil stress. Worn plugs widen the spark gap, forcing ignition coils to generate higher voltage. That causes overheating windings, insulation breakdown, and weak spark events. Now misfires occur, raw fuel overheats catalytic converters, and the ECU compensates by dumping more fuel. Fuel washdown strips oil from cylinder walls. Long-term, you get ring wear, compression loss, and converter failure. Replace plugs every 60,000 to 70,000 miles. Habit 9. Avoid excessive idling. DI Carbon explained. Idling reduces oil pressure, which means reduced lubrication to camshafts, lifters, and valve train components. At idle, engines also run richer, and unburnt fuel washes oil off cylinder walls. In direct injection engines, fuel never passes over intake valves, so oil vapor from the PCV system sticks to intake valves and carbon buildup forms. Over time, airflow is restricted, combustion efficiency drops, and throttle response weakens, eventually requiring walnut blasting at a cost of $700 to $1,200. Start the engine, wait 30 to 60 seconds, and drive gently instead of idling. Habit 8. Avoid cold revving. Piston clearance explained. When engines are cold, metal components have not expanded yet. Manufacturers design piston-to-wall clearance to tighten at operating temperature. When cold, there is extra space. If you rev a cold engine, pistons rock slightly in the cylinder, causing piston slap, scored cylinder walls, and uneven ring wear. Oil is also thicker when cold and hasn't reached upper valve train components fully. Revving increases load before lubrication stabilizes. Drive gently for the first minute and let temperature, not RPM, do the warming. Habit 7. Replace the PCV valve. The PCV valve regulates crankcase pressure. Combustion gases slip past piston rings, this is called blow-by, and the PCV system routes those gases back into the intake. When the PCV valve clogs or sticks, pressure builds inside the crankcase and forces oil past valve cover gaskets, rear main seals, and oil pan seals. Now you see oil leaks. Worse, pressure forces oil into the combustion chamber. Oil burns during combustion and carbon buildup forms on intake valves, piston crowns, and oxygen sensors. Over time, fuel economy drops, idle becomes rough, and oil consumption increases, and pressure can even cause gasket failure. Replace your PCV valve every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. It's a $15 part that protects your entire engine. Habit 6. Clean the MAF sensor. The MAF sensor measures incoming air, and the ECU uses this data to calculate how much fuel to inject. If the MAF is dirty, it underreports airflow. The ECU sees less air than is actually entering, so it adds fuel. This appears as positive fuel trims and your engine runs rich. Rich combustion causes carbon buildup on intake valves, spark plug fouling, and catalytic converter overheating. Excess fuel also washes oil off cylinder walls, reducing lubrication between piston rings and cylinder bore. Long-term, this leads to ring wear, compression loss, and increased oil consumption. Most people replace the MAF, but often it just needs cleaning. Use MAF-specific cleaner every 12,000 to 15,000 miles and never touch the sensor wires. Habit 5. Alignment, toe and camber explained. Alignment includes toe and camber angles. If toe is off, your tires point slightly inward or outward and fight each other down the road. That scrubbing builds heat, increases rolling resistance, and accelerates tread wear. If camber is off, your tire tilts and only part of the tread contacts the road, creating uneven edge wear, reduced grip, and increased stress on suspension components. Misalignment can wear tires 30% faster. A $100 alignment prevents a $1,000 tire replacement early. Check alignment every 10,000 miles. Habit 4. Wash the undercarriage. Galvanic corrosion explained. Salt and moisture create corrosion. When dissimilar metals contact each other with moisture present, an electrical reaction occurs. This is galvanic corrosion. One metal becomes the anode and dissolves. Brake lines thin, mounting points weaken, and subframes corrode internally. You may not see it until something fails. Wash the undercarriage monthly in salty or coastal climates. Habit 3. Clean battery terminals. Voltage drop explained. Corrosion increases electrical resistance. Even slight voltage drops disrupt sensor accuracy, and modern vehicles rely on precise voltage. If voltage fluctuates, sensors send inaccurate data, the ECU compensates improperly, and fuel trims adjust incorrectly. This can cause rough idle, hesitation, and random warning lights. Clean terminals every few months. Stable voltage protects every system. Habit 2. Important to pay attention to sounds. Wheel bearings begin with microscopic pitting that creates a faint hum. As pitting increases, heat builds, grease breaks down, and metal surfaces grind. Eventually, the bearing develops play, ABS sensors misread, and wheel alignment shifts. A $300 repair becomes $1,200 plus. Listen early. Habit 1. Track maintenance. Memory fails, maintenance logs don't. Without records, oil intervals stretch, coolant flushes get skipped, and belt age goes unnoticed. Small neglect compounds over time. Drivers who hit 500,000 miles track everything. Dates, mileage, services. Because long engine life is not luck, it's consistency. Most drivers replace their car every 5 to 7 years, not because it stopped working, but because neglect caught up. The habits that destroy engines are never dramatic. They're small, quiet, and ignored. So the real question is, what else are drivers still doing by the book that's quietly costing them thousands? Subscribe to Carsplainer for honest car advice, hidden maintenance truths, and money-saving tips every driver should know.